Hi Pisces, welcome to your reading. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung situation nyo this coming July 1 to 15, 2025. Yung mga kaganapan kay Pisces this coming July 1 to 15, 2025. Okay. Wow. Okay. Aww. Okay, Pisces. So let's take a deep breath and let's dive into your reading. Okay. First, we do have the Five of Swords. So the Five of Swords indicates a conflict, a tension that is going on, maybe with those person around you, your friends, families, or co-workmates. There's maybe an argument na nagaganap if you are in a relationship, maybe with your lover. So, mayroong pagtatalo na naganap. At merong ano, uh, if you are on a job, siguro merong mga pagtatalong nagaganap between you and your co-workmates because of something. I sense some deception. Siguro may mga tao na tinatrader kayo. Ganun. And you are confronting them. That's what I've heard. Okay, so pagpasok ng July is a very challenging situation. And you do have the Nine of Wands as well, which indicates a connection with you and yourself around you. I think you are guarding yourself because of these people. Your walls are high. You are protecting yourself. You are parang naghahanda kayong sumabak sa gera. Ganun. Because I think because of this situation, this Five of Swords, those people around you are toxic and you are just protecting yourself. Okay? Pisces, I also sense that you are learning not to trust immediately. Kaya I feel that you were betrayed, but not to the extent, but there's something na parang siguro may tao na nag-lie sa inyo, nagsinungaling, ganun, and they betrayed your trust. Because Pisces is very, mabait na tao. And once nasira yung trust ni Pisces, parang siya yung self niya yung sinisisi niya. Kaya right now, you are guarding yourself, you are protecting yourself to something na baka mangyari pa ulit. Kaya pinaghahandaan ko na yung sarili. Ganun yung nasisense ko. So at the end of the week, on July 15, you have the Hangman. Okay. I think you are on pause into something. Maybe you are not yet ready to para makipag-socialize sa iba kasi you were betrayed. Yung trust mo ay nawala. Parang may trust issue ka na ngayon sa mga tao na nasa paligid mo. You feel alone. Kaya you were not moving. You are at pause in everything. Parang wait lang. Parang kailangan ko munang maghanda para sa sarili ko. Ganun, para hindi na maulit yung nangyari. Kung ano man yung nangyari sa inyo, Pisces, ikaw lang yung nakakalam yun. You do have these people around you na toxic. and you know who they are, and you are preparing yourself, you are protecting yourself na para hindi na maulit yun. And right now, you do have a trust issue, kaya hindi ka masisisi, Pisces. So again, I'm just reading your cards. So this is not a personal reading, everyone. This is a general reading. If it's not resonate with your current situation, baka hindi ito yung reading na para sa inyo. And I am not a professional reader, so I just do it for fun. So don't hurt yourself sa mga sinasabi ko. Don't take it seriously. Okay? These are just guidance and for entertainment purposes of Pisces. So, I have here the Mystic Force Oracle cards. Angels, what's your guidance for Pisces this coming July 1 to 15, 2025? Rejuvenate yourself. Oh my God. So Pisces, makinig. Rejuvenate yourself now. Know your limits and allow them to guide you. Limitations can teach you to take better care of yourself. You have full permission to rest and say no. Oh, so you have the full permission now, Pisces, to rest and say no. Kaya siguro meron kang dahan dito. Sabi ko, pause. There's a pause that is going on with your life at the second week of July 15 because you're going to re-evaluate yourself. Kaya meron kang trust issue kasi ayaw mo na talaga maulit itong nangyari sa inyo dati. Kaya, I understand you, Pisces, and you do have the card that you have to rejuvenate yourself. So, that's why the universe is with you and they are allowing you to have the full permission to rest and just say no to those toxic situation, toxic person around you. You have the power to change yourself, to become stronger, and to overcome any challenges in your life. Pisces. Okay, that's your reading. Thank you so much, and I hope you're going to get back to me on the next reading. Alright, Pisces, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.